Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing and arranging your footage so everything reads in sequence. This matters because transitions depend on timing. First, drag clips onto the timeline and trim the edges to remove dead frames. Once done, enable snapping and zoom to 200% so you see exact edit points. Make sure clip endpoints align. You want at least 1/2 second of overlap or extra frames for smoother blends, so extend clips slightly when needed before you add any transition. Now choose a transition that matches your edit intent, dissolve for subtlety, wipe for directional motion, or slide for energy. Open the Transitions panel and drag the effect directly onto the cut between clips. Clipchamp shows a default duration. Then customize duration, typically 0, 2 to 2. 0 seconds depending on pacing, and tweak easing and direction to control motion feel. Make sure to preview at playback speed, because visual timing often feels different in real time. Finish by watching the full sequence and listening for rhythm. You'll often spot a transition that needs slightly more or less duration. Adjust by dragging edges of the transition or swapping types until the motion reads naturally. Then render a short test export to confirm smooth playback and color continuity. If you run into stutter or artifacts, clear Clipchamp's cache, restart the app, or re-import the source files. Those steps usually fix corrupted previews and ensure your final export is clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.